What you got there, baby?
Mama.
Oh, open it? Do you want to have Mommy open it? Okay. Ask Mommy if you want to open it.
I heard you calling to me. Can you show it to me? Mom.
Let's see it.
What is it?
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a lamb candy. Here's my thing, Ada. Here's what I think we should do. You know what I think we ought to do? See what else is in there, and maybe take this out of the plastic tomorrow. Can you do that? Can you do that? Can it be a special snack that you have tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to leave it in the bag right now. We can put it on the table so you can see it. Yeah, that's so pretty. Do you want to show Daddy and the camera so Daddy can have a picture
can I
of
see?
that?
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, you can just hold it up and show Daddy. You can just hold it up to him and he will see it.
Oh, thank you, baby. Wow, look at that.
That's very beautiful.
That's very pretty. Ada, can you say thank you, Auntie? Thank you, Auntie Risa.
That's fine, except there's some Grammy and Grandpa.
That's from Grammy Sue.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, great. I caught that on film, too. Hey, Tater, look, there's more. There's more over there. Look.
Take the whole thing out of the bag.
There's more.
Whoa. Wow.
What's that, baby?
Elmo.
Is it an Elmo video?
Yeah.
It is. Let's see. Oh, sure enough. That's
Elmo doing?
Elmo.
I think Elmo's riding his bicycle, riding so free.
Stop. What is that?
What do you do with that, I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry.
Does this thing open up? I think that opens up.
That is some Play-Doh, I think,
Oh, it's all
in a fancy container.
plastic.
Oh, I love your little dolly.
What's the baby's name? What's your name? Baby, okay. Good night, baby. Night, baby.
Oh, wow. What's that, kiddo? Are those wine corks? Oh, they're stamps.
Fun stampers.
Fun stampers, those will be so much fun. Oh boy, Ada.
Another egg.
Ada, what's that? What's that? What is that? Uh-oh. What is that? Do you know what that is? What is it? Can you tell? It's an egg. Egg.